How to follow routes in Strava. Hey guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to follow routes on Strava. The first thing to do is to launch your app, the Strava app, on your mobile phone. Once you've ensured that the Strava app has been opened on your mobile phone, the home page will be displayed. Here you have the list of activities that you've done on the Strava app. Then, to follow routes on Strava app, what you need to do is to look at the lower part of the screen where we have the home icon, the maps icon, the record icon, the groups icon, and the U icon. You click on the record icon. The record icon is at the middle of these 5 icons. Once you've clicked on it, you wait for the page to load. So once the page has loaded, at the lower part of the screen, you see the icon that looks like hearts, that has the shape of love. Then you see the icon of a bicycle. Then at the front, the very first icon is the icon that looks like route. It's a zigzag shape. Then you click on this zigzag shape that looks like route. Once you've clicked on it, a page will be displayed where you have your saved route. Here I don't have saved route, but you should have saved route on your hand. So once you've clicked on it, your saved route will be included, will be displayed. Then click on any of the routes you want to follow. Then you go back to the lower part of the screen where we have those icons like the home icon, maps icon, record icon, and so on. So you click on the record icon again, then you wait for it to load. Then at the lower part of the screen, after the route shape, the next icon that looks like a bicycle is what you're going to click on. You're going to click on this icon to select the type of sport or the activity that you want to do. So you select anyone that pleases you. Once you've done that, once you've ensured that you've selected a sports activity that you want, then the big round icon at the bottom of the screen that says start is what you're going to click on. So once you click on this icon, you click on the start icon like I've done here, then you start your activity. So that's simply how to record treadmill on that's simply how to follow a route on Strava app. I hope you find this video very insightful. Thank you.